Hi everyone, I hope that you're all fine. Today we will fix blog issue saying Google can't index your links. So let's get started with the name of great Allah, God. First open Google Search Console and issue export you not index list. After that, copy those links one by one. Then in Search Console paste the link in this bar. Then press slive URL and wait. When it go green, press this request indexing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. God bless us all, Ameen.